Here we have a 67 plate BMW 530D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front grills and also front splitter, the bluestone exterior paintwork. Round to the passenger side and you'll find the 20-inch alloy wheels, the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. You'll also find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, the wind deflectors as well. Up top we have the roof rails, shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler, which also has the Maxon Design extension on. You can see the logo just there for the Maxon Design. Front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle with a rear reversing camera and a visual display inside. We also have over £5,000 worth of extras as well, all of which are listed on the website. Just mention one though, we have the M Sport Plus package. Round to the rear, you see the rear diffuser with the dual exhaust, and back round to the driver's side, you'll also find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, inside of the back you'll find leather seats. We do have the foldable armrests in the centre, fixed ISO points as well back here. Down there you'll find the vents along with the buttons for the heated seats, as both the outer seats at the back can be heated. Got the electric windows, same leather seats for the front. Both front seats are electrically adjustable and they can both be heated as well. There's a quick look at them. Harman Kardon speakers. We also have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights. Take a seat inside and you'll find digital dashboard in front of us along with the multifunctional steering wheel. You'll find the paddle shifters either side, automatic wipers on the right, volume buttons, phone connectivity, cruise control, speedometer, main entertainment screen. Plenty of different features on here you would have seen on the photos. If we just get the sat nav up, you can see just there. We also have the buttons down here to control it, so you can go through the different options. You'll find the media options are just here. If we go on to the mobile devices, you can also see we do have Apple CarPlay. Got the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Down here you'll find the dual zone climate control for the front, ice cold air conditioning, and again heated seats for either side. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. We do have the electric handbrake, auto hold button and an armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left. We also have the digital dashboard as well in front of us, which can show at different displays. We are coming up to a junction just here, so we're going to slow down, put our right indicator on, wait for these cars to go past, and then we're going to turn right now, continue on our way, start to get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. We do have paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to change gears manually. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We've got plenty of other features as well throughout the interior. Leather seats, for example, which are really comfortable. We also have the main entertainment screen here in the centre, currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty more features on there you would have seen on the photos. For example, we do have Apple CarPlay, which is a really nice feature to have. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. And just below there, you'll also find dual zone climate control for the front, with the ice cold air conditioning, which is perfect for them hot summer days. Now we are going to take another right hand turn, so we're going to put our right indicator on, we're going to slow down, wait for this car to go past, a bit more traffic, so we're going to wait for the traffic to go, and then we're going to turn right, and again start to accelerate, get up to speed again, going through the gears with no issues. You will find the different drive modes. You've got little buttons down here, so you can easily switch through the drive modes while driving. And we are approaching the dealership just here. We're going to take it nice and steady, start to slow down as we come around this bend, put our left indicator on, and then we're going to turn left onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Add onto the brakes, into reverse. We have the reverse camera appear on the screen, along with the parking sensors. Back into drive again, as you can see, with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.